Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 821 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Stripe has announced crypto payouts with Twitter, and NILE Holdings is launching a Bitcoin lending platform. Just before we get into the show today, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so financial services firm Stripe has announced the introduction of crypto payouts for its Connect service, which allows the integration of payments into software platforms and marketplaces, with Twitter being the former's first partner. Twitter, by the way, trades on the NYSE under the ticker TWTR. Stripe will initially support payouts in USD coin, or USDC, which is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. An excerpt from Stripe's blog post announcing the feature explains, quote, "While the store of value aspects of cryptocurrencies typically receive the most attention, we view the prospect of open access global financial rails as being at least equally compelling. As a result, we've been exploring ways to use cryptocurrency-based platforms to unlock broader access. Today, we're introducing crypto payouts for Connect. With crypto payouts, a select group of creators on Twitter, our first partner, will be able to use cryptocurrency-based rails to receive their earnings from Twitter." End quote. Esther Crawford, the product lead for creators at Twitter, commented, quote, "Twitter is where people go to have conversations about what's happening. We're focused on helping creators who drive those conversations earn money and connect with their audiences in new ways. We're excited to begin offering crypto payouts to creators via Stripe so they have more choice in how they get paid." End quote. NILE Holdings, Inc., which trades on the NYSEAmerican under the ticker NILE, has reported plans to fund up to $100 million in commercial loans to small publicly traded companies secured by Bitcoin through its subsidiary Digital Power, or DP Lending LLC. According to the press release, the company also plans to significantly expand its Bitcoin mining production capacity, growing its number of Bitcoin miners to 20,600, which represents an expected mining production capacity of approximately 2.24 exahash per second. Milton Todd Alt III, that's BitNile's founder and executive chairman, addresses the first bit of news saying, quote, "This is the company's first opportunity to expand the lending program around Bitcoin, and I am pleased that the lending platform of our licensed financial lender will be offering Bitcoin-backed loans to small public companies. We believe the platform is truly innovative and believe DP Lending is the first financial company, lender, or institution that we know of to provide Bitcoin-backed lending on a commercial basis or leverage DeFi technology to uniquely target capitalization assistance to small public companies." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.